In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Messenger to text messages. And I need to start with a clear update because the app has changed in a big way. You cannot connect regular SMS or text messages to Facebook Messenger anymore. Meta removed SMS support from Messenger in 2023, so your phone texts and Messenger chats now stay completely separate. If you used to see your texts inside Messenger, that view is gone, and no setting can bring it back. What you can do instead is simple. Open your phone's Messages app. Look for the icon you normally use for texting, usually called Messages on Android and iPhone. When it opens, you should see your usual conversations list, with names or phone numbers and your past text threads, just like before Messenger handled them. Use this Messages app to send and receive SMS and MMS. Tap any existing conversation to open it or start a new one, then type and send as you normally would. Once you send a text here, it goes through your mobile carrier, and replies will come back into this same Messages app, not into Facebook Messenger anymore. On Android, use Google Messages or your phone's available messaging app. Many Android phones now highlight Google Messages as the main default, and it supports features like chat bubbles and media previews right inside your text threads. If your phone maker has its own messaging app, you can use that instead, and your texts will still arrive there reliably. You can still use SMS for Facebook security codes, and that is where Facebook and text messages still work together. This means Facebook can text you a one-time code when you sign in, even though normal chats stay in the Messages app. The next steps show you how to turn that on. Open Facebook, tap the Facebook app icon, then wait for the home feed to load fully. At the top or bottom, you should see the standard buttons like Home, Reels, Marketplace, and Menu, which means you are in the main Facebook screen. Tap Menu, shown as 3 horizontal lines. On some phones, it is in the bottom right, on others in the top right. After you tap it, you should see a new page with your profile picture at the top and a list of shortcuts like Friends, Groups, and Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy. When this opens, the panel expands to show more choices, including Settings, Help and Support, and others. This is the area where most account controls now live. Tap Settings. The Settings page will open, showing different sections such as Account Center at the top and things like Notifications and Preferences below. Many newer Facebook controls now sit inside that Account Center section. Open Account Center. When Account Center appears, you will see options related to your Meta accounts, like personal details, password and security, and connected experiences. This is shared across Facebook and Instagram if you use both. Tap Password and Security. On this screen, you will see tools for keeping your account safe, including login alerts, saved logins, and two-factor authentication. We will use that next for text messages. Tap Two-Factor Authentication. Here you will see ways to add extra verification when you log in, such as an app or codes sent by text. If you already have something set up, you will see its status on this page. Select your Facebook account. If you manage more than one profile, choose the one you want to protect. Then the options for that account will load. You will see different security methods listed for that specific profile. Choose Text Message SMS. This tells Facebook to send your login codes as regular text messages to your phone number. You may be prompted to confirm or add your number before continuing, and the screen will show which number will receive the codes. Follow the instructions. Facebook will guide you through confirming your phone, often by sending a test code that you type back in. Once you finish, SMS will be active for that account, and you will see that status reflected on the two-factor authentication page. Note that this SMS option is only for Facebook security codes, not for sending normal text messages through Messenger. Your everyday texting still lives in your phone Messages app, while Facebook only uses SMS here to protect your logins. You have now moved your regular texting back to your Messages app and set up Facebook to send login codes by text. If this helped you sort out how Messenger and text messages work now, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you want more clear Meta how-tos, feel free to subscribe.